My name is Sophie Lim and I'm from Universiti Malaya and I'm taking Bachelor of Accounting. So I think for my strategy in excelling in my academic studies would be, I believe, at this point of your education, I think everyone would have already established an approach that really works for yourself. So for me, I'm a strong believer that you should really have confidence in yourself and trust yourself about like what works for you and what doesn't work for you. Because I believe in university, you have a lot of like distraction around you. People around you are doing things that you're not doing. They are studying things that you're not studying, and I think it's very easy for you to panic and you are distracted. So for me, I think it's very important to know yourself very well, that what works for you, and really stick to it and stick through with it and know that it will work for you. And as for the second part of the question, I would say that this would be the proudest achievement that I have ever achieved in my university life, because although all those CGPAs and university awards are something to be appreciated as well, but to be nominated by my own university to represent the university, to come here to receive this award, is really a pleasure for me. I have science background, and I remember vividly that this one day after SPM, I just sat at home myself and think about like what I want to do further in my studies. And I just have this thought that I want to try to study something that is very real in life, that I can see every day. Instead of studying science is different. It's something that is very like you need to visualize a lot. It's something that happens within something very chemistry, very biologically. But studying, I think stepping foot into the business industry is something that is very real, that you can actually see in everyday's life. Maybe some very easy operation that you see in a mamak store would actually have a lot of theories behind them. So I would try to, I think I'm interested in studying something that I can touch, I can feel, I can see. First off, when I chose accounting, I didn't know much what I can do in the future. When I stepped into university, I know that, okay, there's this huge thing called audit and this huge another thing called tax. So I think that I meant to choose between these two when I finished my studies. But as I studied furthermore in these 4-year programs in I noticed that there are a lot more of knowledge that accounting actually teach you. It's not really about like doing financial statements and stuff. And so I realized that accountancy actually is a stepping stone for you to branch out to a lot of things. And for now, I'm actually interning in consulting, which is not a very accounting thing, but I believe that from what I learned in actually benefits a lot. So I think what's exciting about this accountancy career, I would say that it's really helpful for you to choose whatever that you like. You can have this knowledge as your fundamental, and you go out and you explore whatever that it is that you're interested in, and I am for sure that somehow it will help.